Hello, you guys. Holy shit. Oh my goodness. It's me. Where have I been? I don't know. So I just kind of wanted to film a video because I haven't posted on this channel in so long. Honestly, I just kind of wanted to just restart and just have like a fresh start, just delete everything. I want to bring brand new content for you guys, and really take this seriously. The last year and a half, has been a little bit crazy in my life, so I kind of just want to take control of my own life and do what I want to do, which obviously is makeup and make videos and like show you guys how to do shit and all that fun stuff. So yeah, I just kind of wanted to film this intro and I don't know, just kind of say like, hey, I'm back, back on my bullshit, but I don't know, like I said, I want to take this as serious as possible and like actually put out some pretty dope content, just because I know a lot of people have been telling me like, oh my gosh, get back on YouTube, what happened to your YouTube channel, blah 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 blah. So I finally said fine, I'll do it. So yeah, so anyways, if you guys want to know how I did this look, this was my inspiration photo. I love like weird trippy shit, so this is just like some mushrooms and eyeballs and whatever. So yeah, I just kind of took it to a whole new level. So anyways, if you guys want to know how I did this video, go ahead and keep on watching. And don't forget to comment, share, subscribe, whatever, y'all know. All right, and on to the video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute. I say that literally every single time, but I'm not even going to say I'm back on my grind because I'm just not even going to say that. But anyway, so here is a new video. I just kind of wanted to do something like trippy and like, I don't know. I don't know. I was feeling myself. Excuse my roots. I know my hair is disgusting, but we just gonna ignore that for now. But this was, hold on, let me pull up my inspiration photo. This was my inspiration photo. Kind of like these weird mushrooms with eyeballs, and yeah. So I just kind of took it to a whole nother level. So if you guys want to know how to do this, then go ahead and keep on watching as always. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, the whole everything, you guys know. All right, to the video. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is I'm gonna put a little bit of baking powder under my eyes because I'm gonna go in with a black eyeshadow base, and this black, like, it has so much fallout, and we all know what happens with black eyeshadow and fallout. It's gonna smear everywhere. So yeah, I'm just gonna put this just to kind of like protect this area. So I'm gonna go in, this is a black eyeshadow by NYX. This is their Primal colors. I swear, oh God, this is literally the blackest black I have ever used. It's honest to God, it is amazing if you guys need like that perfect black. It's not a black eyeshadow, honestly, it's like so gray looking and I don't like it. So I'm just gonna go in just with like a really tiny brush just to kind of pack the color on and just get like the shape that I want. Just kind of slowly blending it upwards. And then I'm gonna go in just with a clean fluffy brush and just very, very slowly and lightly start diffusing the edges. Because this is so black, I want to like barely use any pressure. So I'm literally holding the brush like almost at the end. Just because sometimes if you put too much pressure on, it'll bring the color up too high, and next thing you know, you have black like all the way up to your forehead, and yeah, we don't want that. So this edge right here, what I actually like to do is just kind of take my finger and just buff that, and that like really diffuses and kind of wipes some of that black off, because again, I don't want this to get brought up like too high. And then right on top of the black, I'm gonna go in with a pigment. This is by Inglot. It's color 112. It's like this beautiful purple iridescent. And I'm literally just gonna use the fluffy brush and just very lightly just kind of dust this on top of the black. Just because I don't want this to be like, I don't know, just like a matte black. I want it to kind of have some dimension. And then what I'm going to do is take another clean fluffy brush, and then with that purple again, I'm just going to bring this right up to the brow bone. So that's going to kind of act as like our highlight, and then the black will act as like the eyeshadow to give it that dimension. So that way, even though we use the same pigment on top of our eyelid, having the black there will kind of differentiate from the from the brow bone. And then also I am gonna go in with just that purple color again, just right into the inner corner, just to kind of have like a little pop. Right, so I can go ahead and wipe all of this away. And then just going back in with that first small packing brush we used, I'm just gonna go in and, oh my God, no! I was gonna go in onto the lower lash line, but, God damn it! Okay, I was just talking about how phenomenal and how black this black eyeshadow is. All right, well, you know what? We're just gonna make do with this. Back in with that black color and just smoking this on the lower lash line. I mean, it's not that noticeable, I guess. And then lastly for my eyes, all I'm going to do is just go in with the black eyeliner. This is from Inglot, number 77. And then I'm just going to line the top and bottom waterline, and then also just do just my normal eyeliner shape, which is just a pretty decently big wing. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to go in, this is the Makeup Forever Flash palette, and I'm just going to go in with a white cream just to kind of like mark where I want the mushrooms to come off of my cheek. So I put just kind of like a basic outline of where I want the mushrooms and the eyeballs to go, just kind of, again, I just did it in white cream just in case if I mess it up, then I can easily go in and just like wipe it away. So I'm going to go in with the MAC Chroma cakes, and I'm going to use white and black, and I'm just going to do this just black and white design here. This will kind of act as like a trippy sky or a background. I don't really know. I don't know. I thought black and white would be kind of dope to do, so. Alright, so now I'm just going to go in with the white aqua color, and then I'm just going to start filling in where the eyeballs are. I just want to fill out the shape, and then we'll go from there. So for the mushrooms and like the actual design part, I'm going to go in. These are the Kryolan Aqua Colors. These are just like the little minis. These are UV activated, so they're like super, super neon. And honestly, I'm just going to use just kind of a few different colors and just kind of blend them together and just, I don't know, get like a, just like a trippy kind of vibe going for it. Alright, so for the bottom portion of the mushrooms, I'm just going to, again, going from lightest to darkest and just use cool tone colors to shade underneath. Alright, so I'm just going to go in with like the tiniest little bit of blue, and I'm just going to kind of just like shade on the outside of the eyeball, and just to kind of give it like that shape. I literally just noticed this. I don't know what happened here, so I'm just going to go back in with white and fill that in. Alright, next thing I'm going to do are the actual eyeballs itself. So for the irises, I'm just going to do kind of just like a blend of colors. Probably, honestly, just all of them combined. And then the, like, second iris, I guess, because I'm going to have two different irises, is going to be just a different solid color. All right, so we finally made it to this stage. I do want to go and outline everything in black. I think I'm gonna wait though until the end because I want to get everything else done while I can. So I'm gonna go in. I want to put a few more mushrooms up here, and then I don't know. I'm thinking of maybe putting just like some weird like UFOs or like just weird trippy things. So I'm going to just kind of gather my thoughts. I kind of drew out what exactly I wanted. Nobody judge my drawing because I know it sucks, right? But, so this is what just kind of I had in mind, were like some UFOs, like a drippy smiley face, just like some weird like alien things. So I'm going to go and do everything in white first, just because we have the black there, and then I'll be back. Honestly, I'm freaking loving how this is turning out. I'm getting so excited. So I'm trying to figure out exactly what I want to do. So this is going to be a smiley face, so that for sure is going to be like bright yellow. Honestly, the mushrooms and everything, I'm pretty much just going to be doing the exact same concept as these. These two guys, I'm going to make little alien signs, so you know, those might be red and green. But anyways, I'm going to shut up and I'm just going to start filling everything in with all of my colors. And then once I'm done, I can go ahead and outline everything in black. Yo, I ain't even gonna lie. This is looking pretty dope. All right, you guys, I am so excited how this is turning out. I'm pretty much done. Honestly, the last thing I want to do is just go in with some black and then just do all of my outlines and throw on some lipstick. Maybe a little bit of highlighter, because you know. But yeah, no, I think that's it. So I'm just going to go ahead and, like I said, outline everything in black. And yeah. Alright, so first of all, I'm so sorry. I'm so blind. Like, I literally need a mirror like this close to my face. So trying to do all this line work, I realized I wasn't in frame this entire time because I was so up close to my mirror. So I do apologize for that. But we are done with the line work. Honestly, the last thing I want to do is just add this purple pigment that we used on our eyes, just right here as a highlight. Throw on some black lipstick, and then I think we are done. Alright, you guys, we are finally done with this look. Oh my god, this look gave me so much anxiety doing it because I'm so shaky. But honest to God, I am obsessed with how this turned out. I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys recreate this look, go ahead and tag me in it. I love seeing your guys' recreations of my looks. It makes me feel so good. So anyways, thank you guys so much again for watching. Go ahead and stay tuned until the next one. Bye!